Read the question. How many divisibles are common? Between 10 to 10 and 250. 10 to 50. So multiples of 4. First, is 10 multiple of 4? 4 ones are 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. Is 10 the multiple of 8? No. So what is the first multiple of 8? Above this number? 12. 12 I will take as first number. Next. Correct, so on. Is 250 the multiple of 4? How I will understand it? 250 by 4. Okay, 250 by 4 if I do 4 ones are 4, 6 are 24, 10 is remaining, 2s are, I will get point. Yes or no? So it is not divisible by 4. So what is the nearest number divisible by 4? 248. Ishta nenepitu. Getting or no? The nearest number is 248. Only framing this much. Ist frame matter mugitpa. Now what I should find? N I should find. How many numbers are there? Total numbers from here to here. Easy. Same again. A is equal to 12. B is equal to A2 minus A1. That is equal to how much? 16 minus 12. 4 is my D. Next An is equal to 248. What he did is he took 250. 250 to madana. He got the wrong answer. Getting or not? So framing this question, this is very important. Next, n is equal to question mark. N is equal to question mark. N is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. N is how much? 248 is equal to a 12 plus n minus 1 into d 4. 248 is equal to 12 plus n into 4, 4n minus 1 into 4, minus 4. Correct? Next, 248 is equal to 12 minus 4, 8 plus 4n. 4n is equal to 248 minus 8. 4n is equal to 240. n is equal to 240 by 4. Easy? N is equal to 60. Right. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಧಿ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀವತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಯಾರು ಇದನ್ನ ತಿಳಿದು ಪಕ್ಕ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡಿಸ್ ನೀನು ತಿಳಿಯೋಲ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೈತಿ